Hello friends, today I will take you through all the basics required to code the simplest Java application step by step. The agenda for today's video is a closer look at Hello World application. Here comes the classic Hello World application. It is composed with four primary components. Almost every Java program will contain these components. These are comments, class definition, the main method, and the print line. So let's have a basic understanding of them. Starting with comments. Comments are used when other programmers are trying to understand our program or we revisit our program after a while. Comments are generally ignored by compiler but are very useful for programmers. Let's understand with an analogy. Nowadays, large software products are not coded single-handedly by any person. But understanding the code written by others is a tedious task and time consuming too. Comments can make it easy and way too faster. For example, if you have coded a function that tells whether given integer is odd or even, then just put a comment after the double slash as shown in the screen. So, other programmers will not have to spend time and energy on understanding the actual code. Let's understand the three ways of putting comments in a program. The first type of comment is a pretty simple one. This type is used when we want to put a comment at the end of the line. It is normally used to describe the code of the line it is written in, like the one shown. Compiler ignores everything written in the comments. The second way of writing comment. This type of comment describes the code written after it. The third one is a special type of comment called doc comment or documentation comment. The compiler ignores this type of comment just like the other two, but the Java doc tool uses this to prepare automatically generated documentation. Now let's dig into second component of Hello World app, that is class definition. It is really simple to define a class. First, use the keyword class. Then give a descriptive name to your class like the Hello World app. Then write your code within the curly braces. Now, if you are wondering what is class and objects are basic concepts of object-oriented programming. We'll discuss about them in later videos. The main method is the third component of Hello World app. Similar to C and C++, main method is the entry point of our application. Your application will start execution from the main method. The signature for main method in Java is public static void main string arguments. Public and static are two of many more keywords which we will discuss in greater length in later videos. Now let's understand the syntax of main method. Public makes the method accessible from anywhere. It is used with main method so that JVM can access it and run our application. Normally, we use class to create objects and then call methods with the help of objects. But main method is to be called without objects. So, this is done with static keyword. Now comes void. Void is the written type of method. It says that main method does not return anything, not an integer, not a string, after it completes its execution. The main method, before it starts its execution, takes command line argument in the form of string. This is the way of passing information at runtime to your application. Like in sorting application, command line argument could tell whether to sort in ascending or descending order. Modifiers, public and static, can be written in either order, public static or static public. You can name the arguments anything you want, like your name will do. ARGS or ARGV is the general convention. Right away, it is not important to understand everything, just remembering the signature of main method will do. Let's finish it with the last component, the print line. Simply, this line tells the system to print Hello World message to the standard output. Now, to understand what is system, what is out, what is print or println, stay tuned for our later videos.